Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Things. In previous video, we have done the complete installation and setup of Python and Visual Studio Code. So in this video, we will learn how we can use Python as a calculator and how the interactive mode of Python works. So let's start the video right now. Now I will open IDLE, that is the interactive mode of Python, which is by default comes along with Python. For that, just go to the search bar and type IDLE and then press enter. Then you can see the interactive mode of Python will open. See here, the interactive mode is open. The font size is little bit smaller. I want to increase the font size. For that, I will go to the options and then click configure IDLE, and then here you can change the font family also. I just want to change the font size. I will make it I will make the font size will be 18. Okay, and then press apply, then okay. So now the font size was increased. We can use this interactive mode as a calculator. That means we can perform some basic arithmetic operations over here. That is your addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. See how, if I do addition of 4 plus 3 and then press enter, you can see the result. If I want to add 3 number or 4 number, then we can do that. Suppose I will add 2 plus 3 plus 4 and then press enter, then you can see the result. Okay, similarly we can do the multiplication as well. If I want to multiply 2 into 3 and then press enter, you can see 6 is coming as a result. Okay, so similarly we can do multiplication of more than 2 number, more than 3 number, more than 4 number. Okay, so like if I want to multiply 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and then press enter, then you can see the result. Okay, so now we can perform division also. Okay, so how we can perform division? If I type 20 and divided by 5 and then press enter, you can see the result 4.0. Okay, so here 4.0 is coming. So 4.0 means it is a floating point number. So if I want to get an integer result, then how can I get that? For that, in Python you can use floor division method. Okay, uh, just write 20 instead of having division symbol. We can write two division symbol, that is 20. This is known as floor division with 5 and then press enter, you can see only 4 is coming out. Okay, so now if we uh, do 2 to the power 3 or 5 to the power 4, so something to the power something, then we have a special kind of operator, that is double star. Okay, we should use double star in Python. See how, if I want to calculate 2 to the power 3, then 2 and star star, then 3 and then press enter, you can see the result 8. Let's divide 21 with 5. 21 divided by 5 and then press enter, you can see 4.2 is coming, that is a float number. If I want this number as an integer, then we need to perform float division, that is 21 and divided by 5 and then press enter, you can see 4 is. Let's work with strings. Okay, so what are strings? Strings are basically the combination of characters, or strings are basically the combination of alphabets. Okay, see, if I want to create a string, then how can I create a string? Basically, to create a string, we need to write that string inside a single quote or double quote in Python. Okay, so if I write code, if I write coding, then I need to write this coding inside a single quote. Okay, then the Python will treat it as string. Okay, Then if I press enter, then you can see the result is coming coding. Okay, we can use double quote also. If I use double quote and then write coding and then press enter, you can see it's working. Okay, that means it is a string. Okay, Python will understand this is a string. Okay, so if I want to add two string, then what happen? See, if I want to add coding plus things. Okay, so here coding is a string and things is a another string. So what I do is I will perform addition between them. Okay, and if I press enter, then you can see coding thing. That means the strings are getting added. Okay, so this is known as string concatenation. Okay, so this plus operator is used in string for concatenating two strings. Okay, so if I write coding and plus, and I will give some space here and I will write thing and then press enter, you can see coding things is coming. Okay, so if I want to write 3 into some character, suppose C. Okay, then what happen? Press enter, then you can see CCC. That is what is the meaning of this statement. Okay, the meaning of this statement is C is concatenating with itself three times. Okay, C is concatenating with itself three times, that is CCC is coming. If I write here Python and then multiply it with 3 and then press enter, you can see Python, Python, Python. That means this string is concatenated with itself three times. Okay, so if I write here a and multiply with 5 and then press enter, you can see a is concatenated with itself 5 times. If I only write coding and then press enter, you can see error is coming. That means the name error, that is coding is not defined. If I don't use single quote or double quote, then Python is not treated it as a string. Okay, so uh, to make a string, you must have to use single quote or double quote. Okay, the strings are must be enclosed within single quote or double quote. If I do addition of string with a integer number, then what happens? See, if I write here a b c, this is a string, and if I add it with 2 and then press enter, you can see error is coming. That is the error is saying that type error can only concatenate string to string. That means we can concatenate only two strings. Okay, we cannot concatenate a string with a number or a string with a floating point number. Okay, if I write here a b c and plus 2.3 and then press enter, you can see also error is coming. One more thing I will show you. If I want to calculate 2 plus 3, then the result is 5. Okay, so if I want to add this result with another number, that means if I add 5 with another number, then I need to type 5 plus, let's add with 5 3. Okay, then press enter, you can see 8 is coming. Okay, so instead of writing the result, I can use underscore also. Okay, if I write underscore plus, suppose I want to add 8 with suppose 2. Okay, so that the underscore means the previously calculated result. Okay, so previously we have calculated 5 plus 3, that is 8. So the 8 is stored inside the underscore. Okay, if I do underscore plus 2 and then press enter, you can see 10 is coming. That means the previously calculated result is stored inside the underscore variable. If I want to add 8 with that previously calculated result, that is with 10, then I no need to write 8 plus 10, I just need to write 8 plus underscore and then press enter. You can see 18 is coming. This is it for now. We will continue from this onwards in our next video. So thank you for watching this video.